so all you have to know is right here where these are underlined, anytime you see letters that are underlined, you're going to say O. And that's all you have to know about it, and then we'll just chunk through it, okay? Put this over here.
An old aged soul did see the glow of a prized possession buried long ago. The old black crow seemed to know where to go to find the gold. The road below led to a chateau, beyond the place where the meadow flowed. The old soul arrived but found the note. The gold isn't here and you never know.